So please let me know. I'll also be mindful about that. Right. So namaste and warm welcome. My name is Manya Jaisinghani, and firstly, thank you so much, ma'am, for having me here. I think that just Spark, ma'am, mentioned kar rahi thi about Spark being forwarded to youth. I think it all came from here only because the line you were mentioning that we get so busy making a living, I think it traces back to 2019 when I was sitting in your classroom that we get so busy building a living that we forget to live a life. I think I've written it in so many essays. I've used in so many trainings, and always I say these lines. I'm always like traveling back to your classrooms. So thank you so much for building that bridge. So I think that round of applause for ma'am for like organizing this all for you because it would have been because of her that यहाँ पे आना ऐसे gathering में dress करना I think not possible without you and building blocks always people's pay. So what I'll do is कि I'll keep it very brief because I think it's your day and I'm just to set the tone further. So what I'll do is I'll just walk you through what my journey was initially so that you can resonate, connect that why am I actually here. And then I'll also open the floor for any questions, queries, comments you all have because this is the age where you have the maximum load of questions and the more you ask, the better it gets. So parents, students, everyone, ask your heart out. So I think I'll start my journey. That my journey is actually in this horizon only. I was born and brought up in Delhi, actually in Ashok Yar only. I put up very close by. So as a kid, I mean, ma'am remembers that I was that quiet, introvert child. So whenever my parents used to go to the classroom, they used to get just one remark, starting from the grade first to 12th, that पढ़ने में तो मैम सर बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन बस बोलती नहीं है. I think that she is not having that spark to speak up. And my parents, because now any elder siblings here, parents can also raise their hands. I think you can get the fame that when the first child comes into the family, it's like the project baby. You have to be that project kid जिसको सब जगह डाला जाता है. So as a kid, my childhood involved academics, tuitions, and beyond that, I was put in every other zone I could get into. Skating, art class. Anyone knows Pankaj sir, art class. Then these Bharatnatyam at Kalibadi. I did that also. Then skating at this Maheshwari Kala Kendra. So did that for summer, and summer breaks were always about art and craft because the person who does not speak knows how to create with hands. So I think hands, painting, craft, this formed my major share of childhood. But my parents did not take a back seat, I must tell you that too. They tried their level best. They even enrolled me to the National School of Dramatics. They have this 1 month summer workshop. And I went to this Maharaja Agrasen school. So if you know, this is in phase 4 next to you, ma'am, only. And it was in year 2013. So I somehow got into that NSD as well. But NSD did not change anything. Went 1 month. Dad thought कि इसके बाद ये dramatically बात करना शुरू कर देगी, but nothing. Years passed on. I went 9th, 10th grade. And in 10th grade, I took a very dramatic decision, which is, according to many people, very dramatic, that I took humanities. Anyone taking humanities, I know it's a very different system now. So yeah. And humanities without mathematics. People said, are you closing your doors? I mean, what are you going to do? You're not taking economics, you're not taking mathematics. And subjects I had, commercial arts, painting. Second subject, English. All gratitude to ma'am because my friend said that take English, it will all be covered up because ma'am was there. So English then next. Third was history. Fourth was sociology. And fifth was psychology. So people said कि करना क्या चाहते हो उसके बाद because you have taken all these very unique and I'm talking about 2019. So it's like 7 years ahead today. Still roads are ongoing to be improved. But I took humanities back then. So the thing was that in family they said कि do psychology. लोग बहुत बीमार पड़ने वाले हैं. लोग बहुत बीमार पड़ेंगे, बहुत करियर है. Now this was my parents' voice. They even took me to a career counselor. In fact, we consulted 2 career counselors. They said psychology, ठीक है कर लो, but if you take psychology, you will always be in the dreams. I mean, there is no subject as real as psychology. I'll come to that. So career counselor's advice, I just put it on off the track. And the second dream was, of course, going for IAS because I loved reading. And when I was not speaking, because my every other friend, when I was in earlier days, they used to be in the dance, drama, singing, but I was in the classroom always reading books. So reading directly goes to IAS. So that was like कि कुछ नहीं तो ये सब हो जाएगा. Said okay. So I thought I'll take psychology. but psychology में I want to make money because psychology is still flourishing as a field. So I'll do organizational psychology, which is like you go into the workplaces, you deal with the issues of the employees and build sustainable systems. I decided it back in 11th grade only. ठीक है. Fast forward class 11th, class 12th, it went off. My parents had by then given up कि इसका कुछ नहीं हो सकता, बोलेगी तो नहीं. And actually they put me paradoxically in the profession where speaking is the only goal. I sometimes then think like what was actually going on in the head, so I said okay, never mind. Then class 12, I gave the board exams. So mine was the last year we had without CUET and without COVID. So 2019, everything was as per mark system, as per my parents' system only. कि marks basis पे you go to the college. So I give the board exams, and on a random Wednesday morning, I received the call कि results are out of class 12 boards. Now that was a big watershed moment. Because I had anticipated I'll get 97, 98%, and my top colleges in the head were like Lady Shri Ram, then JMC, and that's it. 2 colleges. Plan is only that I have to pursue psychology. Psychology honors at Delhi University. Results came out, and I was devastated because I got around 95.752 precise in the top 4 subjects if I just calculate then. But even that was not valid because one was this commercial arts. I scored a pure 100 in that, 100 on 100, but still it was an application subject. Reduced it even further, it was 93 point something. And my parents were like कि पूरा साल पढ़ाई करी, करा क्या? So this was like the deadlock. Then थोड़ा दिन रोए, थोड़े दिन फिर स्कूल गए, समझाया, got my sheets reevaluated. Is there something I can improve? So eventually what came was that I got first admission in the first list of Delhi University, IP College for Women, this is in Civil Lines. I took a BA program in Psychology and Human Resource Management, not a pure honors course. I gave more priority to the college because for me, developing my personality was an even bigger agenda. So that was the first game I did. And I even tried many other DU colleges, like many of you might be facing a similar challenge, whether to go for college, whether to go for marks. I think it's what you want to do at the end of the day. I think I never regret my choices, so I went ahead. But that वो तो ना grudge होती है, दिल में बैठ जाती है कि एक बार if I've received that set down, I will come back. I will have a dramatic comeback. So when people on the first day were introducing themselves कि करना क्या चाहते हो, first day of first semester, I said I want to do masters from Delhi University, and ma'am please guide me how I can proceed for the same. So the goal was set कि आगे जाके ये करना है क्योंकि ये से settlement नहीं मिल रही थी. I felt like I was a second tier citizen. So from the first day of my first semester, I started preparing and I cleared to the masters. But I'll take a pause here and tell you what I did beyond my graduation days. Public speaking was that one fear I had. So before I joined college, my dad enrolled me into some public speaking communities and public speaking clubs. And actually, I found my voice there. Because there is a difference, understand, between dramatic speaking and this candid and lecture-based speaking. I am more into like speaking straight, like जैसे I'm not saying I'm a TEDx speaker, but जैसे उसमें एक content-oriented speeches होती हैं. So by God's grace and by luck and by hard work, if you want to put it, I got through the debating circuit of Delhi University. So I went through many of the debatings in my first year, but eventually COVID came down, so college had to mute down. But the other community things went ahead and ahead. I went with many international speech contests, became presidents, leadership roles. So I think it was all the upward journey. So there were only 2 things I was doing in my COVID time and bachelor's. First, preparing for masters, and second, honing my public speaking skills. I started training at the age of like say 19-20 itself because opportunities को कभी ना नहीं बोलना था. Whatever came my way, I just hopped on that because opportunities when they knock on the door, you have to accept whatever it was, whether you're ready or you're not ready. You're never ready for anything. Even I was not ready for the stock. So it's like everything comes to you when you're like when the universe thinks you are up for it. So eventually 3 years went by. 2022 I ended my bachelor's and it was the time for master's entrances. I cracked all the entrance exams which I had envisioned, this time with ranks. All India rank 4 for applied psychology South Campus masters, all India rank 24 in Delhi University North Campus, Jamia Millia Islamia psychology entrance, Jamia Millia Islamia Masters, Human Resource Management, HRDM, Christ University, all 5 cleared with the ranks. So this was actually the grudge which was piling up within that I had to ace it through. And then eventually, as master started, I had this dream of clearing with the organizational behavior, started there for 2 years. And then my masters in 2024. got campus placement, got the highest package, but actually the dreams were quite else. Because though I got the dream package, I started with a job as a human resource consultant, into trainings and building all. But by that time, the seed of startup was born, Skill Aid Empower India Foundation, which was my own NGO I wanted to start for people who are struggling with finding their voice, because schools never offer the free base for you to flourish and all. So I thought, why not create that platform? So thereafter, the journey has been speaking, training, building connections via that. And I worked for 6 months, then dropped dead off my job. I quit and jumped into my startup journey. So 2025 was that leap year. I explored myself. And then towards the end of 2025, I got many speaking engagements. I went to anchor for the Jaipur Literature Festival, went for anchoring for the Home Affairs Ministry at Indian International Trade Fair. Then recently enough, I ended my tenure as a professor for psychology at the Department of Psychology. I was teaching the postgraduate students there for 4 months. So from a person who was thinking कि psychology मेरे लिए नहीं है, I was actually teaching there. So I think everything is a game and dice. And today I am like consulting many embassies of the European Union as a public and cultural diplomat. So organizing cultural events, and that has been my journey. So this was pretty much me. So any questions from you? Otherwise, I'll just wrap up with a few key lessons just thought to give you all. Yeah.
This is really wonderful because one thing that you have mentioned about it that I keep on telling to the parents that my child doesn't speak. Introvert है ये आज तक मुझे every time. I
That's
still
so true.
remember in 2019 when you came. At that time also, your mother was that was the only concern.
That was the only concern.
That was the only concern. मैंने कहा ma'am please I know what she writes. I was like, please don't say him because I know this is not CBSE pattern. She is not going to cram and write 2 lines answers, which is required for the marks. But I know that what she writes. And I always, Menka, see, Manya, this is what you are not going to gain 100%. But of course, 90s like mein aapka English aayega. This is for sure. But I know that they will not understand what you want to write down. And that's what actually I always say that don't focus on the marks. Though
Always.
my criteria has been completely changed nowadays, I tell the because parents finally they say that marks are important. Marks are important. Of course, marks are important. But then throughout those who are with me throughout the session, I teach them according to 9 months, according to my dreams, my
That's very
shape, my
important.
and 3 months rigorous training of CBSE pattern. And the 2 months was a CBSE pattern. So that in that way we can balance because I know that 9 months training is more important than the 2 months CBSE score. They will get it surely. I say that you can get the book from the market. You can just get a any you like or something, and you just cram and you'll get it. There's no
Definitely.
problem with that. If you are coming to me, it means you should go for which is going to contribute after 12th. After that. So she
Definitely.
is actually, I did not know that she would speak so much.
I had doubt in the class. I would come after the class and ask her raising hands.
But when I saw your Facebook and everything, all the posts, then I said, no, Amanya has been completely drastically changed. And that's why this is the purpose only. I wanted all of you to be here and to listen to her. Those, as a parent, you have this kind of apprehension that no, my child is not scoring well and my child is not able to speak much. मैं हमेशा आइंस्टाइन के एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि वो कितना टाइम तक चुप रहे जब आप चुप रह के बहुत सारी चीजें एब्जॉर्ब कर सकते हो तो जब बोलने का टाइम आएगा फिर वो रुकेंगे नहीं.
That's true, ma'am. Yes, I can go.
Absorb is very important. It's very important.
Yeah.
And this kind of a thing is, I'm so glad that all of you have overcome over here, and beyond my expectations. I can see the parents are there. I thought that people in the morning says 40. I think because 20 parents confirmed, I think 40 benches are enough in this. But then I'm seeing the overwhelming response over here, right? So this is what I have reaped, because somewhere my words echoed in your heart. That's why you're looking forward to come. Right? So this is a great thing, Manya. And I think if you have, with the second thing is there, that keep on doing hard work. Opportunities, what she had mentioned about it. Opportunities, never let the opportunities go. Most of the time we say, हम अभी मैंने start करने से पहले बोला कि हम पैकेज देखेंगे. अच्छा इस कॉलेज का पैकेज अच्छा है. अरे आप अपनी जर्नी तो स्टार्ट कीजिए. पैकेज तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
Yeah.
आप सीखना तो सीखिए आज, आप learning तो कीजिए, then only you'll think about it. And even IITs also, and all the great schools and colleges. We don't have every time St. Thomas's is producing Shah Rukh Khan and Manya Singh. Not
It's all up to
always,
you.
not
Yeah.
always, right? So it is there that we get, because our efforts, our journey, every day counts. Every day we are learning. Every day is a consistent effort. It's some of the successes, some of the small efforts that we pay every day, that is paid by you every day. Your contribution is a great in your child's development, a great contribution. Please, certain questions if you can ask, she will definitely.
Yeah. If anything from you, otherwise I'll just like add a few things. Like these days many of you are having anxieties about artificial intelligence coming in and which career path to choose. I think my humble submission is that AI is there for our assistance. Back then when industrialization came, we had more jobs created. So AI will give you the data, but eventually the decision making is in your hands. When I go for my trainings, I leverage AI for designing the content ki kuch insights aa jaye, but eventually it's my communication skills, it's my knowledge and how I connect with people that counts. So choose the careers, and beyond the degrees, it will be the skills that count. Whichever degree you're pursuing, whether it's engineering, my sister is doing her BSc in Statistics Honors from Delhi University. Beyond that, I'm also pushing her. She's doing dramatics. You do communication, pick up any one workable skill, whether it's sports, whether it's speaking, communication, whatever. So pick up that one thing and continue, because you never know what will come handy when. I used to do painting and arts. I learned art for 10 odd years. So I now design very good Canva posters and all. So things come to you. You organize trainings and also start networking and connecting with people. I know you're all very much shadowed and contained in a very like safe periphery with your parents. And parents are the first information source. But beyond parents, find a mentor for yourself who can guide you and coach you. I found a mentor pretty late in my life. And you never know where the mentor might come from. They can be the people who are like senior to you, specialists in the field you are doing, or maybe just one field you aspire to enter into. Find that person who can like guide you, know you, and take you forward. Because ऐसे कहते हैं ना कि if you want to teach maths to Raju, you should know Raju more than maths. Find that person who understands you and your expertise field as well. So start networking. I remember when I was like your age only, I used to go with my dad is having a business in these e-commerce and all. So I used to go for these Amazon, FedEx conferences in big hotels. I had nothing to do with it. But I simply went and introduced myself to strangers. Ki, hello sir, I'm Manya. I'm pursuing psychology at Delhi University. Lovely to connect with you, and just tell me what are you doing over here. Introduce yourself. Hone your skills, because opportunities have to sometimes create, right? So any questions from you, or else I think that I'll hand it over to ma'am further.
Sir, any query from your? आप बोल दे आपकी आज बहुत सारे like questions were which were there in your mind आज answer
नहीं नहीं मैम दीक्षा क्या नाम उसका क्वेश्चन
या नहीं वेरी वैसे भी मैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स के होते हैं,
Yeah.
राइट, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, तो वरीड नहीं रहना है,
Yeah.
राइट
But
मैम. साइशा तो बहुत अच्छी है, वरीड नहीं
मैम
रहना.
I tell you what she has said. I have applied for Mayur.
या
If you meet Mayur now, it is a completely drastic change, including the last 1 year.
we should keep
Completely changed.
okay.
And
Definitely.
he is following this thing.
Yeah.
Small baby step.
Yeah.
So he is already doing it.
Yeah.
So she has correctly said.
Yeah, in fact, my parents are, I was seeing themselves have the same anxiety कि क्या करेंगे and all, but I think that what parents, if anything, because I'm not a parent, I'm not a parent counselor, but only one thing is just trust them, leave them, because आज का ज़माना जो है, I think we have so much more access to new opportunities, so trust them when they're experimenting with new things. Like a coach is there, when they're playing on the ground, you can coach and guide your like children, but when they're on the ground, they have to face the bat and the ball themselves. You can only be there to observe and guide. So just support them, and the journey is, I'm definitely sure it's going to be meritorious with ma'am's guidance and with what you have all done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll just give you ma'am.
Thank you. Now we have actually so many parents are there who are sitting outside also.